Numbers of jobs with an average annual salary of $97,000. Amazing things about this is Microsoft developed C number as a faster and more secure variant of C. It is fully integrated with Microsoft's Net Software framework, which supports development of applications for Windows browsers, plugins, and mobile devices. C number offers shared code bases, a large code library, and a variety of data types. The problem is that C number can have a steep learning curve. Especially for resolving errors, it is less flexible than languages such as C++. They commonly use C number is the go-to language for Microsoft and Windows application development. It can also be used for mobile devices and video games console using an extension of the .NET framework called Mono.
JavaScript. It has a 24,000 number of jobs, and the average of annual salary is $118,000. The good thing is JavaScript is the most popular programming language for building an interactive website. Gordon says that everyone is using it. When combined with Node.js, programmer can use JavaScript to produce web content on the server before a page is sent to the browser, which used to build games and communication application and run directly in the browser. A wide variety of apps extends the functionality of JavaScript as well. The drawbacks are internet browser can disable JavaScript codes from running, as JavaScript is used to code pop-up ads that in some cases can contain malicious content. So the common use of JavaScript is extensively in website and mobile application development. Node.js allows for the development of web-based application which do not require users to download an application.
Python has over 19,000 numbers of jobs and average annual salary is $120. Python is widely regarded as a programming language that is easy to learn due to simple syntax, a large library and standards and toolkits, and integration with other popular programming languages such as C, C++. In fact, it's the first language that students learn in the Align program. Gordon says you can cover a lot of computer science concepts quickly, and it's relatively easy to build on. It is a popular programming language, especially among startups, and therefore Python skills are in high demand. The only person in the Python is not suitable for mobile application development. The common uses of Python is used in wide variety of applications, including artificial intelligence, financial service, and data science. Social media sites such as Instagram, Pinterest are also built on Python.
Java have over 29,000 number of jobs, and the average annual salary is $104,000. Benefits of using Java. It's the programming language most commonly associated with the development of client-server applications, which are used by large businesses around the world. Java is designed to be a loosely coupled programming language, meaning that an application written in Java can run on any platform that supports Java. As a result, Java is described as the right ones run anywhere programming language. Drawbacks is that Java is not ideal for applications that run on the cloud, as opposed to the server, which is common for business applications. In addition, the software company, Oracle, which owns Java, charges a licensing fee to use the Java development kit. It is mostly used along with the business applications. Java is used extensively in the Android mobile operating system.
About 8,000 number of jobs with an average annual salary $97,000. Python and Java C forms a good foundation for learning how to program Gorton 6. Programming languages ever developed, C has served as the foundation for writing more modern languages such as Python, Ruby, and PHP. Also, an easy language to debug, test, and maintain. The programming language, C is not suitable for more modern use cases such as websites or mobile applications. Has a complex syntax as compared to more modern language. Can run on any types of device. C is often to program hardware such as embedded device in automobiles and medical device used in healthcare.
The average of annual salary is $81,000. Benefits is Philippine is widely used for server-side web development when a website frequently requests information from a server. As an older language, Philippine benefits from a large ecosystem of users who have produced frameworks, libraries, and automation tools to make the programming language easier to use. Philippine code is also easy to debug. And drawbacks, as Python and JavaScript have gained popularity, Philippines' popularity has dropped. Philippines is also known for its security vulnerabilities, and according to Indeed, most Philippine programmers take short-term roles that last less than 1 year. Common uses, Philippines is the code-running, content-oriented websites such as Facebook, WordPress, and Wikipedia.
Go was developed by Google to be an efficient, readable, and secure language for system-level programming. It works well for distribution. It works well for distributed system in which systems are located on different networks and to communicate by sending messages to each other. While it is relatively new language, Go has a large standard library and extensive documentation. Go does not include a library for graphical user interface, which are the most common ways to any user interact with any device that has a screen. Go is used primarily for application that needs to process a lot of data. In addition to Google, companies using Go for certain applications include Netflix, Twitch, and Bird.
Number of jobs, 1,800. Average annual salary is $93,000. Benefits. Swift is Apple language for developing application for Mac computers and Apple mobile devices, including the iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. Like many modern programming language, Swift has a highly readable syntax, runs code quickly, and can be used for both client-side and server-side development. Drawbacks. Swift can only be used on newer versions of iOS 7 and will not work with older applications. As a newer programming language, the code can be unstable at times, and there are fewer third-party resources available to programmers. Common users. Swift is used for iOS and Mac OS applications.
C++ has a number of jobs of about 9,000 and average annual salary of $97,000. Benefits. C++ is an extension of C that works well for programming and systems that run applications, as opposed to the application themselves. C++ also works well for multi-device and multi-platform systems. Time programmers have written a large set of library and compilers for C++. Being able to use these utilities effectively is just as important to understand a programming language as written code, Gordon says. Drawbacks. Like C has complex syntax and an abundance of features that can make it complicated for new programmers. C++ also does not support runtime checking, which is a method of detecting errors or defects while software is running. Uses. C++ has many uses, and it is the language behind everything from computer games to mathematical simulations.